Welcome, today I'm with Sony Xperia 10 Mark III and I will show you how fast is this fingerprint sensor. You can find it on the right edge. Let's synchronize with power key. So let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Okay, so as you can see, there's the first problem. Right now it's not recognizing my fingerprint. Okay, it's some kind of the bug probably, because there we get the notification that we used it too many attempts and we have to wait for the 30 seconds. I think that right now we can try. Yeah, we have to still wait. Let's take a look right now. Okay, right now it works. Honestly, there's the first time that I have this kind of a situation. That's weird a little bit, but let's focus on the sensor speed. Okay, so as you can see, it works not that bad, but for sure you can find smartphones with faster recognition of your fingerprint. And we also find one crazy bug that our smartphone cannot recognize our fingerprint. So yeah, that's all. If you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.